Don't think of it as the last breath. Think of it as your money. You got it. You're just like running like a victory lap right now. Smoothly, like moonwalking and break dancing. Hope you don't have bad breath. You're on. I think you got rid of them.
Oh my God.
I really do.
So.
I got you through it. Guarantee it. I got you through it, I get the shrimp.
How long were you gonna wait for this?
I get the brown apple or the brown banana.
Yeah, you can have a brown banana. That's straight.
I got her though. You see it? She's done. She's done with the hiccups.
I'm not here. Oh, but you still don't get the shrimp.
I don't care.
Okay.
Helped her
As long
out.
as we don't have to hear that freaking
I think you got it.
annoying mouth with the hiccups.
Hey, it's worse on me than it is on you.
You see what I mean by like
Trust
not,
me.
not real hard. Like if you
Yeah.
hold it real hard,
Yeah.
it'll go jerk.
That's when you're still gasping.
Yeah, but if you do it just hard enough to.
Okay, so how did that work out for you? Goodbye.